Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive maintenance guide for the Lenovo Yoga 730. Today, we will cover essential steps to keep your device in top condition. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a Torx T5 screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and some compressed air for cleaning. These tools will help you access the internals of your laptop safely. Begin by powering off your Lenovo Yoga 730 and unplugging it from any power source. It's crucial to ensure your device is completely turned off to avoid any electrical issues. Next, flip your laptop over and locate the screws securing the back cover. Use the Torx T5 screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Be sure to keep them organized, a magnetic mat can be handy for this. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges. Be cautious not to damage any clips during this process. Now that you have access to the internals, it's time for cleaning. Using your compressed air, carefully blow out any dust and debris from the cooling fan and vents. This is important for maintaining proper airflow and preventing overheating. If you prefer, you can also contact us for a professional diagnosis without obligation. After cleaning, check the battery connection. Ensure it's secure and free of corrosion. If you notice any issues, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you to get repairs done without any hassle. Next, let's move on to software maintenance. Boot up your Lenovo Yoga 730 and navigate to the settings. Check for any system updates. Keeping your operating system updated is essential for security and performance. Don't forget to uninstall any unnecessary applications that may be slowing down your system. If you're unsure about these processes or don't have the tools, we can assist you further. With no calls or travel required, you can simply let us handle it. We provide a quote before any repair, so you know exactly what to expect. Finally, once you've completed the cleaning and software updates, reattach the back cover by aligning it carefully and pressing down until you hear it click into place. Replace the screws using the Phillips screwdriver, ensuring they are tight but not overly so to avoid damaging the casing. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can maintain your Lenovo Yoga 730 effectively. Regular maintenance can prolong the life of your device and enhance its performance. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.